Good evening, everyone. I'm Astha, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we'll be covering news about Google's Doodle commemorates start of India's Lok Sabha elections. Apple removes Meta's WhatsApp and Threads from App Store in China. WhatsApp introduces AI image creation feature. Netflix to discontinue quarterly subscriber reporting. Meta Platforms releases Llama 3 and real-time image generator. Nothing launches wireless earbuds with ChatGPT integration. TikTok launches photo sharing app TikTok Notes and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google marks the beginning of India's Lok Sabha elections with a doodle featuring the traditional ink mark on the index finger. 11 states and union territories are set to complete their polling by the end of Friday, including Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and six northeastern states. The first phase of the elections witnesses significant participation across multiple regions with 102 parliamentary seats up for grabs. Additionally, state assembly elections are taking place in Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, with a total of 18 seats reserved for scheduled castes and 11 for scheduled tribes. Apple removes Meta platforms, WhatsApp and Threads from its App Store in China following an order from the Chinese government. The move comes amid concerns raised by Chinese authorities regarding national security, with the Cyberspace Administration of China ordering the removal of these apps. While the apps are unavailable on the China storefront, they remain accessible for download on all other storefronts where they are listed. The removal underscores the ongoing dynamics between tech companies and regulatory bodies worldwide, with implications for user access to popular messaging platforms. The Wall Street Journal initially reported on the removal, shedding light on the latest developments in the evolving regulatory landscape. WhatsApp introduces an AI image creation feature, allowing users to create images and videos in real time by typing into the chat. The feature is part of a broader rollout of Meta AI features across the platform, initially accessible in over a dozen countries. Currently, in the testing phase in India, the AI utilizes the latest Llama 3 large language model to visualize images and videos based on user input. Unlike existing models like OpenAI's DALL-E 3, Meta's AI generates images and videos dynamically in response to user prompts, enhancing creativity. Meta encourages users' feedback to refine and improve the tool, signaling ongoing advancements in AI driven content creation. Netflix announces plans to discontinue reporting subscriber number on a quarterly basis, signaling a potential shift in its reporting strategy. Despite a substantial influx of new customers in the first quarter, Netflix falls short of analyst revenue forecast, experiencing a 4.2% decrease in stock price. The company attributed its success to ad-supported streaming plans, surpassing analyst projections by nearly double. Executives emphasize a focus on revenue and operating margins as key indicators of progress, amid concerns over driving new signups once password sharing mitigation efforts are exhausted. Despite the changes in reporting strategy, Netflix remains a dominant force in the streaming arena, with shares surging by 89% in the past year. Nothing introduces two new wireless earbuds, Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear A, featuring ChatGPT integration for enhanced user experience. Designed for audiophiles, Nothing Ear boasts a custom 11 dynamic driver, ceramic diaphragm, and intelligent noise cancelling capabilities. Nothing Ear A targets daily users with its unique yellow color, offering similar noise cancelling features and high resolution audio quality. Both models offer long battery life, fast charging, and the ability to connect to multiple devices simultaneously. The integration of ChatGPT technology enhances user interaction and access to information directly through the earbuds, signaling a new era of AI driven audio experiences. TikTok unveils its new photo sharing app, TikTok Notes, available for download and limited testing in Australia and Canada. The app allows users to share moments through photos posts, requiring an existing TikTok account for access. TikTok Notes features a For You page resembling Pinterest's homepage, offering a platform for users to engage through photo content while bearing similarities to Instagram. TikTok Notes lags to Stories feature, distinguishing it from its Meta counterpart. The global rollout of TikTok Notes remains uncertain, with no statement provided on potential availability in other regions. This is Astha signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
क्या आप जानते हैं 90% ऑफ बिजनेस का फेल होने का रीजन होता है कम्युनिकेशन गैप। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं विघ्नेश, आपका डिजिटल साथी। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एस फॉर स्लैक एंड शॉपिफाई। शॉपिफाई एक लीडिंग ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म है जो किसी को भी अपनी ऑनलाइन दुकान सेटअप करने में अपने प्रोडक्ट बेचने की सुविधा देता है बिना किसी टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज के। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं हजारों कस्टमाइजेबल टेम्पलेट्स और फीचर जिससे आप अपने ब्रांड को एग्जैक्टली ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं जैसे आप चाहते हैं। और अब बात करते हैं स्लैक की। ये एक इंट्यूटिव कोलैबोरेशन टूल है जो आपकी टीम कम्युनिकेशन को स्ट्रीमलाइन करता है। इसमें आप अपनी टीम के साथ चैनल्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जहां आप डिस्कशंस को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं और इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर सकते हैं, मेकिंग टीम वर्क मोर एफिशिएंट। इन दोनों टूल्स के साथ आप अपने ऑनलाइन बिजनेस में टीम्स को एफिशिएंटली मैनेज और कम्युनिकेशन मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। अगर आपकी वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, शेयर और फॉलो करना ना भूलना। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट टी के साथ।